Today's cars are computers on wheels. The automotive collision repair industry, a staggering $190 billion market, isn't just about fixing dents. It's a hub of innovation driven by technology, offering a multitude of careers. From technicians specializing in structural and non-structural repairs, refinish, and mechanical work, to managers overseeing production and parts, the career spectrum is vast. It's not just about repairing vehicles. It's about instructing, counseling, designing, managing, and innovating. There's a place for everyone. Roles extend beyond the garage, into insurance, paint and body equipment distribution, repair support, and even paint system manufacturing. Whether you're passionate about hands-on repairs, customer service, technology, or management, the automotive collision repair industry offers a place for your interests and ambitions. Explore endless possibilities. Discover career opportunities in automotive collision repair today.